In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create classes and locations in QuickBooks Online. We'll begin inside QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the main dashboard, head to the Settings menu. This is where you'll manage many of your company preferences, including the tools that let you organize transactions by class and location. From Settings, click on Account and Settings. When that page opens, select Advanced. In the Advanced section, scroll down until you find Categories, then click the pencil icon to edit it. This section controls whether class and location tracking are available in your company file. Now turn on the switches for track classes and track locations. Enabling these options allows you to categorize your transactions in a more detailed way, which can be especially helpful if you want to separate income and expenses by department, service type, office, or branch. After both switches are turned on, click Save to apply the changes. Once that's done, go back to Settings. This time, click All Lists. From the Lists area, select Classes. This is where you'll create the individual class categories your business will use. On the Classes page, click New, then enter a name for the class. Choose a name that's clear and easy to recognize later, since this will appear when you assign classes to transactions. After entering the class name, click Save. Your new class is now created and ready to use. Next, we'll create a location. Return to Settings once again and click All Lists. This time, choose Locations. Just like with classes, this area stores the location options you'll assign to transactions for reporting and organization. On the Locations page, click New, enter the name of the location you want to add. It's a good idea to use a consistent naming style here, especially if you manage multiple offices, stores, or business regions. Clear names will make your reports much easier to read later. After entering the location name, click Save. At this point, you've successfully enabled both tracking features and created your first class and location in QuickBooks Online. From here, you'll be able to apply these categories when entering transactions, helping you keep your books more organized and making it easier to run more detailed financial reports. That's all for this process. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have a clean setup that supports better reporting and better visibility into how different parts of your business are performing.